Now it's time for Christmas, and Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls.
Hi friends, welcome back to a new Christmas Decorate with Me video. And as you can see, I am in my bedroom. This is a space that I love to decorate for the Christmas season as well, because it is my cozy space, and when it's all decorated, I kinda wanna go to bed really early just to enjoy my decor here in the bedroom. Now I'm gonna be keeping it quite simple, and I didn't know which color scheme to go with this year, so I decided to do a little bit of a mix. So I'm doing red, white, gold, and I am adding to my bed this green beddings that I recently picked up, and you guys, it is so soft, and as you can see, you can wear it or you can use it both sides. So I'm gonna be adding this green, but you're gonna see later that also I'm going to be adding some red to my bedding. You are not gonna see me decorate my pencil Christmas tree here in the bedroom. I already went ahead and set it up, but I did do a short reel on Instagram. If you're not following me there, I would love to connect with you there as well, because I've been sharing more and more there lately. So make sure you follow me on Instagram too. The link is in my description box. Now there's nothing more cozy than fluffy pillows, you guys, and I've had these pillow covers for quite some time now, and I use them like every Christmas and every winter season because they bring in so much coziness and warmth. Now for my wall art, this year I got two of these large frames. I've been changing out my wall art so many times, and actually I didn't really know what I wanted on there, and every time I had something, it was really nice and big, but I also had to store it away if I wanted to change it out for something else. So I decided to go with these two large frames, and I can change out the print with the different seasons, so I do not have to store away the frames. So I'm going to be keeping these in my bedroom year round and just change the inside of the frame, making it so much easier for myself. I will be keeping the other wall arts that I have because well, some of them because they are so pretty, but some of them I will be parting with just to have more space in my home. I mentioned I want to be living a more clutter free life, so I've been doing some decluttering off camera. So one of the things that I'm gonna be doing is getting rid of some of these wall arts. Now look at how beautiful this painting is. It is actually a canvas, and I got it from Temu, you guys. Now there's a tip: do not sleep on Temu because they have some great deals for some great items. Not all of their items are really good in quality, but some of them, like this canvas, you guys, it is perfect. It is pretty and they are such good quality. I did order also a smaller one that you're gonna see in a little bit, but I actually have two of these frames and I ordered two canvases. You will see that in a bit. I already had two hooks up in my wall and I didn't want to drill any extra more holes in the wall, so I'm just using some metal wire here to create a hanger so I can hang these frames up on the existing hook. And this is the second one that I ordered of this Santa Claus, and I love this. I love the classic look. And first I didn't know what to think, because one of the canvases is white and the Santa has like this creamy background, if it would fit. But you're gonna see that once that my bedroom is completely decorated, it really looks so pretty. This white garland is a thrift find that I got 2 years ago, and I am keeping it here for every Christmas because it is so pretty. It is cozy, it is full, and I love that it is white, making it neutral. Now I'm going to be putting in some lights and some Christmas ornaments, some red and gold ornaments. Now what I also love about this garland is that it is neutral, and because of that I will keep this up here all winter long. Everyone knows that the secret to a beautiful garland is to fluff, fluff, and fluff it as much as you can. Now, to be honest, that is my least fun thing to do when I'm decorating for Christmas, fluffing my Christmas tree, fluffing the garlands or the wreaths. But you guys, it is so worth it. The more time you spend fluffing your garland and your trees, it will be so pretty. Now here I am placing this berry garland on top of it, and I'm making sure that I kind of intertwine the two together to make it like one look. And I really love this look, very simple and very classic. And here I'm just using some tie wraps to secure these Christmas balls to the garland, because these are quite large and they are glass, so I do not want them to drop. So I make sure that they are very well secured to the garland. My bedroom is completely different decorated than what I did downstairs. Up here I wanted to go with a more classic look. I wanted to keep it simple, and I wanted to work with more colors than what I did downstairs, which is mostly red and white. But up here, as you can see, my bedding is green. I'm gonna be doing different layers here on my bed with different pillow covers. I usually do not do a lot of decorating on both my nightstands because they are so small. So I'm going to keep it very simple, creating two little arrangements for, or actually one arrangement for each nightstand. This little acrylic Santa Claus I got in the after Christmas sale, and it was missing a lid of the battery pack, and that's why I got it for really cheap, you guys. I love this, but I do not like the color lights. I wish it was warm white, but yes, I don't think I will probably light it a lot. So next we're gonna be decorating my cabinet here. Now I want to show you that I did put one of my plants here and also this little chair because I needed the space downstairs, so I moved it up here, and I always do that every year. And this plant also, so it's kind of like a green area here. I kind of like it. It's a bit too much, but I do like to have plants in my bedroom, and I always wanted to have something taller here, but I think it's just too crowded here, the space. So yeah, for now it's gonna stay like that, but I might find something that will fit better. But anyway, we're gonna be decorating this space here. And this is the other canvas that I ordered. If you remember my fall decorate with me, I had the acorn canvas in this frame, and now I switched out for this beautiful Santa picture. Decorating is all about trying out until you get the desired look. You're gonna see that I did rearrange some things here and there. Here I'm just adding the final touches. I'm gonna be leaving you with a overview of how everything turned out, and I am really glad with the outcome. It is very simple but still so cozy and festive. Now I still have a few more decorate with me videos to come, so I would love it if you would consider hitting the subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home and tune in for more Christmas decorate with me videos. For now, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I see you in my next one. Bye!